In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add alerts in MetaTrader 5, price alerts. Price alerts in MetaTrader 5 are a simple way to make the platform notify you when the market reaches a level you care about. Think of them as your eyes on the chart when you're busy elsewhere. You can have MT5 play a sound, send an email, or push a notification to your phone when your condition is met, like when a currency pair crosses a certain price. One important reminder before we start: alerts are stored locally and only work while MT5 is running on your computer or on a VPS. If the platform is closed, the alert won't fire. Let's set one up. Open MetaTrader 5 on your computer and look to the bottom of the platform for the terminal window. If you don't see it, press Ctrl+T or go to the View menu and choose Terminal. Inside the terminal, switch to the Alerts tab. That tab is where all your alerts will live and where you'll manage them. To create a new alert, right-click in the empty space inside the Alerts area and choose Create. You can also press the Insert key if you prefer shortcuts. This opens the Alert Editor, which is where you define exactly what you want MT5 to watch for. First, make sure the Enable box is checked so the alert is active. Choose the symbol you want, such as your preferred currency pair or instrument. Next, set the condition. You can trigger on bid greater than, bid less than, or use the ask price with the same logic. The bid price is what sellers are bidding, while the ask is what buyers are asked to pay. Because there's always a spread between them, choose the side that matches your use case. For example, if you want to know when the market can offer you a buy at or below a certain level, an ask condition is often more precise. Enter the value, which is the price level you want MT5 to monitor. Then choose the action, also called source. Sound will play a tone on your computer. Mail will send you an email, and notification will push to your mobile app, provided you've already set those up in MT5 settings. File will run a program when the alert triggers, which is for advanced workflows. You can optionally set an expiration so the alert turns off after a date and time. Timeout adds a pause between repeated alerts, and max iterations limits how many times it repeats before stopping. When everything looks right, click OK. You'll see the alert appear in the Alerts tab, and MT5 will take care of the rest while it's running.